she should be coming.
Could think outside the box.
We did the genomic testing pretty early in Christine's course. With our treatments, we've had a great success for her.
They gave me treatment options I didn't know about before. There's an atmosphere of hope. I want to be around just to be a grandma.
The evolution of cancer
Go.
care is here. Learn more
You got
at
it in hand.
cancercenter.com/Philadelphia.
What you got? You got the rat? Give me that rat. What did Anna do? She got you eating that wrapped up? What happened to the tail? What happened to the tail? No tail? Get that to Mama. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, who's coming? Who's coming? Who's coming? Ready? Ready? There she goes. She's taking off. She'll come back. Anna, she's driving me crazy with this rat. You started. She's crazy. Here she comes. What you got? You got that rat? Give me that rat. Give me that. Give me that rat. Oh, flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Give me that little ratty. Give me that rat. Run, Jez. Run. The rat gonna get you. Gonna get you, Jez. What happened to the tail? Jezebel, what happened to the tail? What'd you do with the tail? Did you eat that tail? Did you eat that tail, Jezzy? Okay. Let's go find the tail. Go get the tail from Mama. All right, bye.